Okay, 4 says by looking at a graph, identify if there's growth or decay. Alright, so anytime it slopes downward like this, that's going to be decay. Anytime it slopes upward, we have growth. Okay, determine if the data represents a linear, quadratic, or exponential function. Alright, so this is where I want to look, just double check. These are constant at the top. And then I want to go ahead and figure out my pattern here. Okay, 6 to 12, I always look for multiplication first. Okay, that times 2 would work. 12 times 2 times 2 times 2. So when it's multiplication, I have a common ratio, and that is exponential. Okay, the next one, these are constant. Okay, then I'm going from 3 to -3, -3 to 5. Alright, so multiplication doesn't look like it's going to work. So I'm going to subtract 6. This one is going to be subtract 2. Okay, this one is going to be -2. This one's going to be +6. Okay, so I still don't really see a pattern here, but I know that these are a vertex, and it's symmetrical on both sides. I have 3, -3, -3, and 3. So that is quadratic. Okay, C, I want to look at my y's. Okay, so 115 to get to 1/5, I could multiply by 3. 1/5 to 3/5, I could multiply by 3. 3/5 to 9/5, multiply by 3, and 3. So anytime I'm multiplying, I have a common ratio, and that's exponential. Okay, D, 6 to -1, -1 to 4, 4 to 9, 9 to 14. Okay, so multiplication, I can check, but I don't think that's going to work. So then I want to look -6 to -1, that's +5. Okay, -1 to 4 is +5. 4 to 9 is +5. 9 to 14 is +5. So that's called a common difference. And anytime I have pluses and they're constant, I know that that is linear. Okay, and 6. Harley threw an apple core into the trash can. Since no one emptied the trash can, the fruit fly population doubled every 12 hours. At 6 a.m. on Friday, there were 20 fruit flies. Alright, so this says show at least 60 hours. Okay. Alright, so I have 6 a.m. Alright, I'm going to make a little chart here. Okay, so I have 6 a.m. Then I'm going to have on Friday. Okay, I'm going to have 6 p.m. on Friday. I'm going to have 6 a.m. on Saturday. 6 p.m. on Saturday. And 6 a.m. on Sunday. Okay, so that's 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 hours. Okay, because it was every 12 hours. So I know at 6 a.m. there were 20 fruit flies, and this told me that we doubled every 12 hours. Okay, so if I double it, that's 40, that's 80, that's 160, that is 320. Okay, so that's my sequence. If you just wrote all these out, that's fine too. I prefer making a chart just so I can see it visually. All right, and what is the common ratio? The common ratio is 2 because it doubled. Okay, does it represent exponential growth or decay? It's growth because the ratio was bigger than 1 and it was increasing.